Hi guys, welcome to IT Networking. So I have three best software for Windows repair. So firstly, Windows Boot Genuine. This is a very easy and very simple step in this system. So you simply install your systems and then run. So if your system is like showing any blue dump, any error code, so you can search this app and then fix this problem automatically. And in the systems alert system are available. So actually when Windows 10 11 launching some update and there are lot of problem in this update, so this software actually you alert you don't install so this update because lot of problem, so their facility also available, but software is not uh, basic software is not available in the software. So I have a second system mechanic software. It is a lot of features in this driver also available, like any driver missing so you can install it, and then driver also installs system free softwares are also available, and then you can corrupt it as over install to overwrite and Windows repair also doing that. Okay, and actually this is software is world biggest best software, best selling are there in the world, but it is some features are not good. It's his at world of second number on the public view. Okay, we have one more, Restoro. The Restoro is very simple. You just click and launch, so it is very fast. My experience I giving you, it is very fast and very clearly doing the work, and nobody have any other features, but Windows repair features are very fantastic. So guys, have any other issues, so please comment me, I will make a video and give you. Okay, bye bye, take care, have a nice day, meet you in next video. Okay, bye bye.